if you have a thing that you are trying to sell, you have to promote it so much more than you think. I'm talking promote it until you're sick of talking about it. Promote it until you're sure that people are going to stop talking to you because it's all that you talk about and now you're boring. Like that level, when you get to that level, that's probably just like barely enough of where you should be promoting. And the reason is that everybody has a lot going on. If you're posting on social media, the majority of your followers are not going to see that specific post. If you are sending things to email, they will see it, but they might not remember it. So by posting and posting and posting and in doing it in lots of different spaces, you have a better chance of finding your audience, which can feel weird and uncomfortable and you feel like you're bothering people. But I promise you, you're not. And the good news is you're not bothering them. The bad news, kind of, is that you're not bothering them because they're not remembering. So yeah, shout it out, man. It's gotta be loud.